Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Subaru Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your heated seats in your 2018 Subaru WRX STI. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is go to next to the shifter by the e-brake, and once you do that, you're going to have two options. One on the left is for the driver's side heated seats, and the right side is for the passenger side heated seats. So, in order to use them, currently by default they're in the middle, which means that it is off. But if you want to press down on the button, it's going to activate the low setting for the heated seats for the driver's side. Same goes with the passenger side. Low, and then high if you click on the top button right there. Same goes for the driver's side. It will do the same. If you would like to turn off the heated seats, just put it back in the middle and it will turn off for you. Orange indicator, that means that the feature is on. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Subaru Acura, and thank you guys for watching.